Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is The Jesus in Me Loves the Jesus in You. And you know, we're in the key of E flat on today. And you know what? This is the type of song that people play and sing when there are visitors and they want to be welcomed in. So, you know, we're going to have fun with it on today. And this song was requested by Big J Fave. Thank you so much, Big J, for this awesome song request. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of E flat. Let's get it. That's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and E flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. You know what, guys? We're going to do like we always do. We're just going to stretch our hands. We're going to just stretch them out and everything. I think we're ready. Let's get ready to play The Jesus in Me.
The Jesus in me, that's the Jesus in you. Say the Jesus in me, that's the Jesus in you. So easy to love, you're so easy to love, you're so easy, you're so easy to love, you're so easy to love, so easy, so easy to love. Jesus in me, the Jesus in you, say Jesus in me, the Jesus in me, He loves you so. Jesus in me, the Jesus in you, so easy to love, you so easy to love, so easy to love, you so easy to love, so easy. Try this way. Come on, Jesus, so easy to love. Jesus in me, loves the Jesus. As you lead your way back to your seats, let's go. Let's praise and worship time. So easy, you're so easy to love, you're so easy to love, you're so easy to love, you're so easy to love. One last time, y'all. Everybody say real good. One last time. Jesus in me, Jesus in me, Jesus in me, He loves you, loves you, Jesus in me. This is Jesus. So easy, so easy to love, so easy, so easy to love, so easy.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting the song off with and that's our intro. So let me give you that. We're going to our 2. We're playing this A flat 7 chord. Going to our 3, we're playing this E flat 2 chord. We're walking our way up. We're going to the 4. We're playing this A flat 7 chord. Beautiful chord here. This is really just a G chord. We're adding that A right there. And we're on our 5 flat. We're taking everything up a half step. We're going to our 5. That's just an A flat 2 chord. Jesus is love. All right, so let me give you that part. We're on the 4. We're playing our C minor chord. We're going to our 3. That's a B flat major chord. Going to our 2. That's an A flat major chord. Then we're resolving with our 1. That's a G minor chord. We're playing this beautiful turnaround here. grab it. We're just playing a A flat 7 chord and we're adding that B flat on the top. If you can reach it, reach it. But if you can't, you can just do this right here. That'll work as well. That's a C minor 7 chord. So we start the song off with the Jesus in me loves the Jesus in you. All right, let me give you that. So we're starting out on our 1. We're playing this beautiful B flat 6 chord. Then we're going to our 2. We're playing this C minor 7 chord. Then we're going to our 3. That's a B flat 6 chord. Guys, we are repeating the same chords. There's only 2 chords, right? That's a C minor 7 chord on the 4. Nice, beautiful turnaround here. We're playing a B diminished 7 on the 5. And we just repeat. The Jesus in me loves the Jesus in you. Right here, we're changing up. We're playing our E flat diminished 7 on the 6. And then we're going, so easy. Beautiful. Let me give you that. So we're playing an A flat major 7, and we're on the 2. And we're just playing it twice. And then we're playing our bass. We're going to the 1 and playing that same chord twice. Yeah, let me give you that rhythm. All I'm doing is I'm going 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Then we're going up to our 3. So on that 3, we're playing this beautiful B flat 7 chord, and then we're going to our 6. And on the 6, we're playing our B flat diminished 7 chord, and we're doing it all over again. Going up to the 3. So easy. Then we're playing our intro again, right? So easy to love. Guys, that's the whole song. But of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We cannot stop there. We got to give you more. So what are we going to do? We're going to go, Jesus in me. Yeah, let me give you that. So all I'm doing is I'm playing my sister chords. All that is F minor, E flat major, F minor, E flat major. So in context, the Jesus in me. You got it? Another thing we can do is we can go, the Jesus in me loves the Jesus in you. Yeah, let me give you that. So right there on my 5, I'm playing a G minor chord, then I'm playing a G flat minor chord, and then I'm playing an F minor chord. And right there on the F minor, we're playing our 5, our 7, and our 4. So in context is the Jesus in me loves the Jesus in you. See how I did that? You got to really get it in there. But guys, this is the whole song. I hope this was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the storm that wasn't ours. When I was young, my mom was appointed Sunday school teacher over the youth at our church. It was a blessing, but not everyone saw it that way. The woman who previously held the position became bitter. Instead of talking to my mom, she shared her anger with her daughter. My mom had no idea any of this was happening. After the woman passed away, her daughter came to the church one day filled with rage. As she walked out, she locked eyes with my mom and stormed towards her, ready to confront her for taking her mom's position. The pastor's son, my brother, and I quickly stepped in before things turned physical. The truth was simple. My mom never took anything. She was just called to serve. If we're honest, we've all held bitterness at some point. Maybe a coworker got promoted and we felt overlooked. Maybe a friend stopped calling and we assumed the worst. Instead of talking it out, we let feelings sit, and those feelings grow. That's how storms start. Life lesson. Don't inherit or hold on to bitterness. Talk it out. Let it go. And remember, you don't have to fight for what God has already assigned to you. Awesome job, awesome job. Guys, let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, yes. Thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And before I forget, thank you again, Big J Fave, for that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to. Yep, I heard you say it. 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. Now right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, you know what? They tell me it takes 3 seconds to hit that button. I believe it does. I want you to believe it does. Let's hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you just made my day, my month, my year. And you know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.